Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday morning. I'm Katrina Smith. We get treated to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis this morning. And Bill, what do we have in store for the weather for the weekend?
Kind of a crummy weekend, Katrina. Maybe a good weekend to get out, maybe do some shopping or maybe do some indoor chores. Maybe just watch a movie or read a book. We're looking at some light rain. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We expect the rain to continue throughout most of today. It'll be generally light. It will be cold enough later this afternoon for a brief changeover to snow. In fact, you can see on the radar some hints that it's already turning over to snow in some of the higher elevations of the Adirondacks. So again, don't be surprised if you see a little bit of light snow here later this evening and into early tonight. Current temperatures 44 degrees, calm winds, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures remain the same throughout the day. If anything, they'll cool off over the next couple of hours. Again, rain does change over to a brief period of snow. Tracking some lake effect snow north tonight and also some light snow tomorrow night. We're in an active weather pattern and the snow accumulations in general look to be light. Today, rain, temperatures in the 40s. Again, a brief switch over to snow. We're tracking more light snow here as we head into tomorrow night. Look at that forecast coming up. Katrina, back to you.
Thank you so much.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good morning and happy Saturday. We are tracking some light rain that will be around for a good portion of the day. Let's take a live look outside. This is a look at the city of Utica from our CAPV Tower Cam. Beautiful shot there. Mostly cloudy skies this morning and some light rain is moving into the area. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see that a good portion of this, some light rain switching over to snow. You can see a little bit of blue in Hamilton County. This is higher elevations, 4,000 feet above sea level. But it is a sign that the air aloft is cold enough where we will be seeing a transition from widespread rain to some light snow briefly as we head into later this afternoon and early this evening. Here's a look at your weekend forecast. Again, today, light rain, brief round of snow, temperatures in the low 40s. There will be some lake effect snow tonight and into early Sunday, but this is mainly across the North Country. Later Sunday, we're looking at some showers developing, temperatures in the mid-40s. So overall, much more active weekend, not quite as nice as last weekend when we had plenty of sunshine. Our sky watchers checking in this morning. Glenmore, George with 38 degrees, Mike in New Hartford 42, Bob in Clinton 43, Jeff in Mohawk with 44, and across the southern valleys, Deb in Hartwick 42, and Christopher in Edmonston checks in with 42 degrees. There's a breeze outside today. We will see breezy conditions throughout the afternoon. A little bit of a break in the wind for Sunday, and then breezy conditions are back for Monday and Tuesday. And with that in mind, and with this weather ahead, probably not the best weather to try to get the yard work done. If you do have to rake the leaves, not great weather in the short term, but maybe in the middle of next week, you'll have an opportunity to do some last-minute raking. As we look at the radar and satellite image, it's low pressure working in from the west that will be driving our weather. And again, this does bring a brief round of snow to the area as we head into later this afternoon and tonight. Most areas will not see an accumulation, but the hilltops could see a light accumulation. Overnight, some lake effect snow could bring an inch or two of snowfall to the North Country. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again, mostly rain taking place today. A brief switch over to light snow by 4 p.m. Heading into tonight, lake effect snow will be moving through the North Country. We're looking at overnight lows in the 30s. On Sunday, we're looking at a generally quiet start to the day, and then a round of some light rain and snow develops as we head into Sunday night. And then looking ahead to Sunday night, we'll be picking up an additional accumulation of snow, an inch or two of accumulation north of the Mohawk Valley. And again, this will be around heading into Monday morning. Temperatures today in the 40s. Again, light rain switching over to some light snow. Some lake effect snow showers tonight. Overnight lows in the 30s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Next week, some cool weather for Monday. Some light snow showers around. We're back into the 50s Wednesday. Some light rain returns on Thursday. Weekend trivia question of this half hour. It's the coldest Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade temperature.
Well, I got some inside scoop information from you yourself, Bill, that says because New York City is close to the Atlantic Ocean, it doesn't get as cold as it does here. So I'm going to guess C, 11 degrees.
You're close. 19.
Wow, that's the coldest it's ever
That's the
been.
coldest. Yeah, that surprises me too. But yeah, 19 degrees.
I
that's
always
it.
thought I never wanted to go because you had to bundle up so much, but 19 degrees doesn't
That
sound
doesn't
half
seem
bad.
so bad, right? Yeah.
It's sad that that's what we say because
Yeah.
we live here in central New York.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Bill. Well, a sharp
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Close enough. We're taking a look at the weather today. Some light rain showers will be returning to our area. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAB-V tower cam, and we are overlooking the city of Utica. Today's going to be one of those indoor days. Cloudy skies, late rain. It's going to be a cold rain too. So maybe going out to eat, reading a nice book, watching a movie. Looking at some light rain throughout the majority of the day. Not quite as nice as what we saw last weekend. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We will continue to see some light rain today. It switches over to snow on the tail end of this. In fact, we're seeing some of that colder weather already starting to produce some light snow in the Adirondacks. You can see some of those blues, the higher elevations getting snow right now. Beautiful shot of the moon from earlier this week from Vicky Space. Yes, that is a real person. Believe it or not, she's an earth science teacher too. By the way, I'm bringing this up too because Thursday night this week, we have a lunar eclipse. That's when the Earth casts its shadow on the moon. This is going to be taking place Thursday night, and it's a very, very early Friday morning. The eclipse becomes almost full at 4 a.m. So you're going to have to be up either very late Thursday night or get up very early Friday morning to be able to see that. And fingers crossed, hopefully we'll have clear weather. It's still a little early to take a look at that, though. Again, the weekend, cloudy skies, temperatures in the 40s both days. Again, dealing with some rain and some snow showers. New Hartford, 42 degrees. Mohawk, 41. Southern Valleys, temperatures are above freezing at the moment. Hartwick, 42. Edmonston, 42. Low pressure develops from the west, and this will be driving our weather as we head throughout the weekend. Today, a brief turnover to snow is expected on the tail end of this rain. That could be just enough to coat the ground in the hilltop locations. 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible tonight with some lake effect snow along the higher elevations of the North Country. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, rain briefly turns over to snow this afternoon. We'll stop things at 4 p.m. Again, some light snow showers around. Tonight, the weather does clear out for most of us, the exception being the North Country where lake effect snow will be falling. Heading into Sunday morning, generally dry weather. Sunday afternoon, widespread light rain and snow develops again. We are talking about some light snow heading into Sunday night and Monday. Snowfall for Sunday night, many areas pick up at least a light coating of snow. An inch or two is possible north of the Mohawk Valley. So again, these snowfalls will be relatively light, but in some places it does accumulate. Today, light rain, again, briefly switching over to some snow showers. Temperatures fall throughout the afternoon. We're in the 30s tonight with some lake effect snow showers north. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Light snow Monday, 40. Temperatures on Tuesday still in the low 40s, and we'll start to warm up as we look ahead to Wednesday. How much snow fell last winter in Utica? Any guesses here?
I have no idea, but I'll guess C, 83 inches.
Pretty close. Actually, that was the most popular choice on Facebook, but it's 71. So 71 inches. And the reason why I bring that up, our winter weather outlook will be on Thursday.
Oh, everybody can't wait to find out what
Yes.
what's in store for the winter months. Thank you so much, Bill. All right,
Forecast tonight at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Bill, if my eyes were correct, I think I saw some snow today.
Yeah, hopefully you weren't surprised by this. A little bit of light snow taking place across central New York. This is the picture from Boonville, primarily a higher elevation event. We saw even some snowflakes in some spots here, like on Smith Hill. We're about an elevation of 1,200 feet above sea level. Another picture from Billy Joe Hubbard in Litchfield. Again, generally rain in the lower elevations today. We're tracking lake effect snow as we look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and that will be primarily north of the Mohawk Valley as we head into tonight with more accumulations in that area. The rest of us will be seeing dry and chilly weather. Current temperature is 37 degrees. As we head into this evening, snow showers remain to the north. Temperatures will be in the 30s. So some chilly weather ahead. Another round of widespread rain and even some light snow is expected as we head into tomorrow. and into tomorrow night. We're tracking the details and looking at snowfall amounts, and that's coming up. Sayara, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. More than
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Many of us picking up a light snowfall, particularly those of you that live along a higher elevation. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAV tower cam looking into the parking lot where visibility has become limited here as some patchy fog has rolled in. We are talking about some lake effect snow in areas north of the Mohawk Valley this evening. This is in the wake of today's weather event. This low pressure is drawing winds into the west as it departs. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, bands of snow primarily impacting the Tug Hill, this region, but these bands do extend into northern Herkimer County and extreme northern Oneida and southern Lewis County, and that's where this band will be sitting as we head into tonight. So there will be some localized accumulations up to about 2, 3, and in some cases 4 inches. Sky watchers this evening: Barneveld 34, Curtis Corners 34, Boonville 33 degrees, across the southern valleys, Edmonston 33, and Worcester with 34. A little chilly to take the dog out for a walk, but if you do have to go out this evening, do plan on temperatures in the 30s. The weather does dry out across the majority of the area. We're tracking the next wave of low pressure. This will be moving inland, and it will bring us some widespread light snow as we head into late Sunday. At the moment, at least for the short term, it's all about lake effect tonight, and we're expecting to see an accumulation generally north of the Mohawk Valley. In this white shaded region, Boonville, Old Forge, speculator 1 to 3 inches of snowfall overnight. And again, this does stay out of the Mohawk Valley and southern valleys. It will stay dry in these areas as we head into tonight. So again, Storm Tracker 2 Skycast will be keeping an eye on that band of lake effect snow generally north of the valley heading into tomorrow. Sunday morning, cloudy skies, and we're expecting about half of Sunday to be dry, the first half that is. The second half, we will see some light rain and snow showers develop. Most of this happens Sunday evening and Sunday night. Look at temperatures too. We're going to be above freezing in the Mohawk Valley, so the snow is going to have a hard time sticking here. Snow showers will continue into Monday too, with temperatures in the 30s. I want to focus in on tomorrow night and how much snow we could be adding here. Not going to be a big one, but again, an accumulation, especially north of the Mohawk Valley, 1 to 3 inches. Again, can't rule out a couple of slippery spots in this area as well. For the rest of us, the Mohawk Valley, the southern valleys, a trace to an inch of snow, with that inch of snow most likely being along higher elevations. Snow showers north tonight, low of 32. Tomorrow, cloudy skies with rain and snow developing, temperatures in the mid-40s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather remains chilly as we head into early in the week with temperatures in the low 40s, 50s on Wednesday with rain returning on Thursday. Sayara.
Thank you, Bill. Coming up next, Taha Rao is in at this tonight at 11. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening, Sayara. Good evening, everyone. Many hilltop locations saw the first snow of the season. Let's take a look at some photos given to us by some viewers. This picture from Melanie in Boonville. The snow sticking to the grass, having a hard time sticking to the pavement today with surface temperatures above freezing. Another photo from Billy Joe Hibbard in Litchfield. You see a light coating of snow on the car windshield. Look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, continuing to see some lake effect snow north of the Mohawk Valley, and we'll continue to keep an eye on that as we head into tonight. That stays localized to areas north of the valley. Widespread rain returns late tomorrow. This turns over to light snow tomorrow night. We get to do this all over again with some light accumulation. The winter outlook will be Thursday, November 18th during the Live at 5 news hour. Join meteorologist Hannah Evans and myself as we take a look at what we can expect for the upcoming winter season. Snow showers north tonight, low of 32. We are tracking the next snowfall, which takes place tomorrow night. Look at that forecast is coming up. Sayara, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. The Think Big.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking the next round of snow that is expected to move into the region as we head into Sunday night. It is snowing in some places, especially north of the Mohawk Valley, but that's localized due to some lake effect. This is a live look at our CAV tower cam Looking pretty quiet across the Mohawk Valley and southern valleys, but again, tracking a band of snow to the north, and that will continue as we head into overnight with some accumulations. The snowfall outlook for the Mohawk Valley, just enough snow to brush off over the next couple of days. Not expecting any big accumulations here, but it is time to start thinking about digging out the shovel, digging out the snow blower. We won't need it anytime soon, but it's just a matter of time as we get more into the season. If you have to clean up your yard, if there's still leaves on the ground that need to be taken care of, unfortunately the weather is not going to cooperate for you, at least not for the next couple of days, with cloudy skies and generally unsettled weather. It looks like our next chance to do that would be on Wednesday. The radar and satellite image shows lake effect snow developing tonight, the winds aligning from the west, so the band stays generally north of the Mohawk Valley, and it does produce some accumulation, thinking a general 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. There may be a few spots in the Tug Hill to get more than that, but that would be the exception rather than the rule. And do notice that this stays out of the Mohawk Valley and southern valleys for the most part, just a trace to an inch of snow just north of Utica towards Rome. Let's track that band. Tonight, again, it stays generally north. Temperatures will remain in the 30s. Heading into Sunday morning, mostly cloudy skies. About half of Sunday looks dry, but then some widespread light rain will be developing as we head late into Sunday afternoon and into early Sunday evening. Temperatures will be above freezing. Widespread rain and snow as we head into Sunday night, with snow showers on Monday. Looking at breezy conditions Monday afternoon with scattered rain and snow showers. Again, just a very unsettled weather pattern as low pressure rolls through the region. Snowfall for tomorrow night. We think just about everybody will see some snow out of this. A trace to an inch of snow in the Mohawk Valley. Perhaps an inch of snow along hilltop locations south of the valley. North of the valley, 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Again, there could be some locally higher amounts as well, but that's a general idea. And again, this takes us through Sunday evening and into Sunday night. Tonight, snow showers north, low of 32. Tomorrow, cloudy start with rain and snow developing later in the day, a high of 44. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Monday, rain and snow showers, 40 degrees. Tuesday, some snow showers and flurries early, 42. We dry out Wednesday. We're back into the 50s. Some rain Thursday, some snow showers Friday, high